Alright guys, so we got Biggie here, and Biggie there. Alright guys, SLEX Highway Patrol, and nandito tayo sa Calamba, Turbina. So Sir Marco in the house. Ayan. Guys, super puno ngayon dito sa Calamba, Toyota. And dito tayo sa parts and service. And of course, ito yung kanilang showroom. Ayan. So we're heading. Balik tayo guys. Alright, so we got the Wiggy Boy.
5,000 kms preventive maintenance. Check and top up of all fluids.
Doing the checks. Top up ng fluid.
Battery check. Charging check.
Brake cleaning and adjust.
Tires check. Tire pressure check.
Bolt and nuts tightening check. Brake cleaning check.
Alright guys, so 5K PMS, clean ng mga brakes, adjust. So yan, tinaas, tingnan natin yung ilalim, ilinis lahat ng mga brakes, tapos nagano tayo, palit ng oil filter, top up ng langis, and then sinek lahat ng mga cabin filter, and ayan, everything's so standard 5K PMS of Toyota. Alright? So we go sa 1,000, 5,000, as you can see, wala naman tayo dyang free labor lang, pero yung mga parts kailangan bayaran. Kasi ito pa yung mga voucher na binigay sa amin. So basically, ayan, ito yung mga voucher ng Wigo sa parts and sa labor. Alright, so ayan guys. Yun guys, sa Wigo, 5,000 kilometers check up, 739 lang yung ating binayaran because nagbayad lang tayo sa mga counting parts and wala tayong binayaran sa labor. Alright, because ito yung mga ginawa sa atin. 5,000 oil filter yung binayaran natin, tapos ayan, mga battery checks, and nag-top up tayo ng mga fluids. Yan yung mga binayaran lang.
Free car wash after every PMS.
Alright guys, so 5K PMS done, Biggie Boy. Alright, once again with Sir Marco, of course. Ayan, so lagyan natin ating gamit. Alright, so once again guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more Toyota Wigo experience and real stories. Bye!